guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna put two of my favorite things together. I love barbecue, I love Seekh Kebabs, and I absolutely love Karahi. So I thought, why don't we put it together and make a nice, awesome, spicy Basant style Karahi. So we're gonna make beef Seekh Kabab Karahi. Go over the basic ingredients really quick. As usual, I'm gonna have everything posted in the description box. We're gonna use fresh garlic, ROMA tomatoes, salt, black pepper, turmeric, cumin powder, red chili. I'm using 5 pounds of 90-10 chopped meat, cilantro, onion, oil, and garlic ginger paste. I separated this recipe in 3 very distinct parts. First, we're gonna make the Seekh Kebab, masala for the Karahi, and then we're gonna mix it all together. The masala for Karahi first. While the masala is cooking down, we're gonna make the mix for Seekh Kebab and go grill them, and then we're gonna put it all together. I like to roughly cube them. They break down super fast. That's why I love ROMA tomatoes, because as soon as they hit the heat, they start to break down. 1.5 cups of oil, and you have to make sure it's really hot before you add tomatoes to it. And that's exactly what you want to hear. Really hot oil. And you get a quick saute. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon red chili, tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, initial saute. You could tell tomatoes are breaking down really good and spices are getting mixed. So this recipe, we're cooking the meat separately and we're making the Karahi masala separately. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the heat down to medium, a little bit medium low, maybe on 4. Put the top on it and let it steam up and let everything break down, because you want the masala to be tight. Everything broken up, all the liquids drained out, so your Karahi is nice and tight. I'm gonna show you, it's awesome. You have the masala for Karahi working. It's cooking on medium heat. Every 4 to 5 minutes, we're gonna go in, we're gonna give it a quick stir to see where it is. Now we're gonna start working on the kebab mix, which I absolutely love. 1 tablespoon salt. It's a simple mix. 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoon black pepper, and 2 teaspoon cumin powder. The first part, we got all the spices in. Now we're gonna put all the fresh herbs, cilantro, onion, fresh garlic. I'm gonna run it through the food processor. We're gonna drain all the liquids out, because your masala, you don't want extra liquids. You want dry, fresh herbs, and we mix it in, and the masala is nice and tight. 1 bunch cilantro, make sure it's washed. It's very important. It will ruin your entire dish. I have 2 medium onions, or 1 large onion, 4 cloves of garlic. Out on my rag, and I'm gonna squeeze all the liquids out. This is the consistency you want. Completely dry. Your time. Start from one end. Fold. Because this is really important step. I want to make sure the spices are spread out evenly. So I take my time. I spend at least 4 to 5 minutes mixing it, and then I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for at least 20 minutes. 2 seconds, and I'm gonna check on the masala. Yeah, you could tell it's breaking down so good. It's getting thicker already. Give it a good stir, and we're gonna cover it back up. My kebab making station, we've got the mix, we've got the hot water, my skewers, and the collecting pan. So I'm gonna take about 6 ounces or so. I like big kebabs. So I just like to build them from the top. Just work your way down. See, start to take shape. This is exactly what you want. How gorgeous and even it is, and it's not going anywhere. I'm gonna set it aside in our collecting pan. Kebabs are done. Now we're gonna move on to my favorite part. We're gonna start grilling. We're gonna start adding the kebabs to the grill. With kebabs, you flip them every 30 seconds so you don't get any, and you just go side to side. Kebabs are getting done beautifully and the smell is just gorgeous. So I'm gonna just, you see, this is my favorite thing. So you're gonna just flip them. There we go. Kebabs are done. I'm gonna take them off in the platter. Fresh off the grill, we're gonna let them rest for about 20 minutes before we start cutting into them, because if you don't let them rest, when you put the knife through them, they're gonna start breaking. Let them rest for about 20 minutes. Now we're gonna go check on the masala for the karahi, and we're gonna put it all together and finish this awesome recipe. Masala for karahi is almost ready. There's a very little bit moisture, but the biggest indication for masala being ready is when the oil separates. So you can see this is all ready. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the kebabs, we're gonna mix in the karahi masala, and we're gonna give it a nice saute. Stack all the kebabs. We're ready to cut them. Have them let rest for at least 20 minutes. And look how gorgeously they're done. There's so much strength in them. They're not falling apart. I'm gonna start cutting the kebabs. Firm hand, about an inch thick. Because you have to see, you have to saute them in the masala for karahi. If you cut them too small, they're gonna fall apart. Masala for karahi is ready. You can see how angry this is. That's exactly what you want. Everything broken down, nice and tight, oil separated. Now, we're gonna move on and we're gonna add kebabs. Gonna give it a quick saute. Wow. You see, the kebabs are done so well that they're not falling apart, they're holding their shape, and the masala is just sticking to it. Now we're gonna put some green herbs, garlic, ginger, green chili, and we're gonna finish this. Karahi is done. It smells and looks gorgeous, but no karahi is complete without the green masala. I'm gonna add cilantro, and I'm gonna add fresh ginger, because I love it. I'm gonna give it a quick saute. Wow. As soon as you put cilantro, ginger, and you start giving it a saute, the smell that comes out of it is my absolute favorite. This is the food I love cooking. Dry masalas, karahis, barbecue. It's my favorite food. Okay guys, the recipe is complete and it smells and looks amazing. And plating, we went with a little bit of modern touch. We did Italian bread, roti, raw onion, lemons, rice, green chutney, and karahi with lots of green masala. Guys, this is a food I absolutely love cooking. I love making barbecues and dry masalas, and when you put them together, it is Basant style. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basant style.